Yo, what's good, car fam? You know the drill. We're here to talk about what's hot and what's next in the automotive world. And trust me, Cupra just dropped some heat that you can't miss. The Munich Auto Show was wild, but the real star of the show wasn't just another shiny car. It was the Cupra Tindaya Concept. And let me tell you, this thing is giving major Batmobile vibes. This isn't your average concept car. It's the biggest one Cupra has ever made, coming in at a whopping 186 inches long with some serious 23-inch wheels to match. The design is straight up wild, with a look that's somehow both messy and totally cohesive. The front end is a puzzle of sharp lines and a digital screen that can mimic the headlights, while a unique 3D printed aluminum spine runs along the roof, giving it a fastback silhouette that screams speed. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. And speaking of statements, Cupra is drawing a line in the sand. They're dropping the hammer on self-driving tech with their bold slogan, "No drivers, no Cupra." Interim CEO Markus Haupt made it crystal clear. They're all about the human connection to driving. The emotion, the passion, the rebellion. While everyone else is racing toward autonomy, Cupra is saying, nah, we're keeping the power in your hands. It's a fresh take and a seriously cool stance in a tech-obsessed industry. But wait, there's more. Cupra also rolled out some fresh Tribe editions for their Formentor, Leon, and Terramar models. These special editions let fans personalize their rides with cool new features like seats made from 3D knitting tech and bio-based paint. If you're a true car enthusiast, this is the kind of detail that gets you hyped. Drop a comment below and tell me which feature you'd want on your dream ride. And get this, they gave us a sneak peek at the production version of the Raval, their first electric urban car. It's super compact, making it perfect for zipping around the city, and it's built on the VW Group's MEB Plus platform, so you know it's legit. We'll get all the juicy details in March 2026, but based on what we've seen, this little EV is going to be a game changer. The brand's sales are blowing up too, with a massive 36% jump. It's no wonder they're thinking about global expansion, even eyeing the Middle East. Will they make it to the US? They're not saying much yet, but with this kind of momentum, anything's possible. This is the kind of exclusive content you'll only find here. We're not just reporting the news, we're breaking it down and giving you the real lowdown on what matters. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out. We've got more hot takes, insider scoops, and exclusive reveals coming your way that you won't see anywhere else. Don't be the last one to the party. Join the fam and stay ahead of the curve.